Universal challenges call for universal answers.
On Monday, May the 29th, a concert at the Papal Basilica of St. Paul outside the walls was held to commemorate the 200 years since the fire and reconstruction of the Basilica. It was on the night of July the 15th, 1823, when a fire erupted from the wooden ceiling of the Papal Basilica, reducing the 4th century building, second in size only to St. Peter's Basilica, to a heap of smoking beams and piles of rubble. It was a shock for Romans and the entire Christian community. The new basilica was rebuilt and consecrated on December the 10th, 1854. The concert held to commemorate the reconstruction was entitled Religioni Unite, or United Religions in Music, with the Jerusalem Symphony Orchestra conducted by Yeruham Scharovsky and young solo cellist Danielle Akta. Interreligious dialogue and 30 years of diplomatic relations between the State of Israel and the Holy See were also celebrated during the event.
I would say that we were looking with this double motive to maybe have a symbolic act of culture to show a kind of harmony or unification or interfaith dialogue between the Abrahamic accords. And this is also why in the program of this evening you will hear compositions by composers of the three religions, a Christian one, a Jewish one, and a Muslim one. And we thought that taking this opportunity of the 200 years on one hand and 30 years on the other hand is also in a way let's say, to combine old and new. I mean, 200 years is by now a time that has passed while relations between Israel and the Holy See are still young.
The musical pieces performed covered a wide range from Bach to Schubert, from Bruch to El Kater. The program opened with the famous Bach choral, Jesus bleibet meine Freude, and Schubert's Ave Maria. There was also a tribute to Italy with Symphony No. 4 in A major, known as the Italian Symphony, written by Felix Mendelssohn-Bartholdy during his stay in Italy in 1830. He was attracted to the traditions and folk songs, nature and folklore.
This is, of course, all very symbolic, and again, the dialogue, let's say, the tacit dialogue maybe between Rome and Jerusalem, two cities, two iconic cities, with their history and tradition, is all the time. I wouldn't say in the background. It's very present, and it's great to have it and to have it as part of what we are doing here this evening.
Music and the arts were once again on display to lay the foundations for peace and respect between different faiths and to shine a light on the important role Rome and Jerusalem play on the international stage.